So for today's vlog guys, magliligpit kami sa bahay kasi si asawa ay nagliligpit ng ng mga Christmas decoration. So today it's Sunday at kararating ko lang galing sa trabaho kasi naka-stay na ako sa amo for 2 nights and 2.5 days. So ngayon, magliligpit kami kasi madumi ang bahay dahil sa mga decoration. And then, later mag-decoration naman si asawa for Valentine's Day! So let's go guys. Let's clean up. Nagluto si asawa guys. Gagawa siya ng potato salad. Turn off. So nagluto si asawa guys. Today is Sunday. Ako karating ko lang galing sa trabaho. Kasi nakain ako sa amo. So ngayon siya ay nagluluto. At ito ang potatoes. Gagawin niyang salad potato daw yan. So magluto. Luto siya guys. Siya ang cook for today. At yan guys, may nilagay siyang sauce. Mix. So he said that it will stay like this for 2 hours. And then to mix again. And that's it.
Gently mix.
Gently mix. Okay. So mag-wait tayo ng 2 hours guys.
After,
So nakaganyan siya guys for, for 2 hours daw i-rest. Then i-mix. And then pag after, ilagay siya sa ref for 4 hours on a whole night. And then ready na siyang kainin. Masarap daw. It's first time. First time ako mag-try nito guys. So we'll see tomorrow. So si asawa guys, nagtanggal ng Christmas light sa labas namin. Yung balkone namin guys. Ganda ng araw today. Maganda ang weather today guys. So ang aming bahay ngayon guys, empty na kasi tinanggal na yung mga Christmas decoration. Wala na kaming Christmas tree. Well, so we will clean. At ito yung natira dito guys. Si Ivy Basili. Yan sila. Ito siya kukunin ni Kuya. Kasi ayaw namin ito. Ito lang ang i-keep namin. So, mag-clean kami ngayon guys. Kasi yung dumi ng bahay. Mga balloons. It will change again the weather maybe. I will do it like this. Magpitpit kami guys! Kami linisin. Sinero kong asawa, guys.
Pity that you didn't buy these potatoes. It's more nice.
Mm.
Because this potato, I think, has more starch. And starch in this potato salad is not good.
Mm.
This potato you can make...
Ah, you mean the organic one?
Yeah, because there are different types. There are 3 types of potato. With starch, with a lot of starch, with medium starch, and with very little starch. And for salad, we need the first, very little starch. Because otherwise it will be, you know, you will not see the slice. Or when you see when I cut it, it gets broken, meaning it's not the best potato type. But here in Greece, they don't have the names. In Germany, every potato has its name and class. So you know what you're buying and for what.
I
But
see.
here, you don't know what you're buying. But I can see, as I can see, this one could be better.
I see. So, dito na time, guys, kami ay tapos na. So, nag-relax na kami. Kasi tapos na kaming nagligpit. Mag-relax naman po. Unya, maglabing-labing ginagmay. So, yan guys. Nagsama kami ni asawa, nanood. Habang kami ay nagre-relax. Kasi natapos na yung ginagawa, nililigpit namin.
It's noise. Relax na kami guys kasi natapos na kami. Di pa completely but for the day it's enough na because it's Sunday. Woo!
Labat?
You are labad ka.
You're labat.
Labad! Labad na
labad.
asawa.
Excelente. Adiós.
Adios.